Hey people, well this is my 1966 or early 67 General Electric or GE model W22 20-inch box fan, catalog number F11W22. I showed another one a few videos earlier, but I got this one. This one's in better condition than the other one that I showed. The other one I showed, the cabinet was had a few dings and stuff here and there. It was rusty in some spots. Now that one will be going to my friend Taylor TheEngine. Here's this one. I'll show it. I'll get an overall view of it, then we'll fire it up. As you can see, there's hardly a scratch or anything on there. Maybe a few dings on there, like right here or here, but it's not as bad as the other one. And there's like one right there. That's no biggie. And of course, it's got the knob on the side. This little dot indicating what speed it's on. There's the back. There's that unit-bearing motor. Like the other one, the screws holding on there wouldn't budge, but thanks to help from my uncle, I was able to get one of them loose, the bottom one. That's all I really need, is just to get one of those loose, just so I can swing the motor around to get to the back of it to work on it, like oil it or what have you. Ugh. And also, and there's the top. Also, just like unlike the other one I had, this one still has the handle. Yes, it's got the handle. And there's the grill badge, which has it in the upper left corner. Now, this fan, when I got it, I believe it needed some oil, and it had that motor buzz. But thanks to my friend Caleb Poggill, he showed me how to address that issue. What caused that is a lot of times on these fans, those shaded poles get loose. And the way to fix that is by gluing them into place. You really only have to glue them at the ends, but just for the heck of it, I just glued them all down all over. And that fixed the issue. And the blade was pretty much out of balance, but he showed me how to balance it. It's not really the blade itself that goes out of balance, but the position that it is on the rubber grommet that goes on the blade. So now I'll show it running. First, to start with low. And when the motor is cool, low speed is slower than this, but when it warms up enough, it gets up to about this speed. But on both the other speeds, medium and high, it really takes off. I'll crank up to medium. And now high. Like all of these GG box ends, it really throws out the breeze. And OFF spells off. And it has decent coast down time. So there you have it. It's my 1966-67 GE model W22 20-inch box fan. Thank you for watching.